What's up guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a super cute fun design that I saw in one of the Facebook groups that I'm following, and also I saw on TikTok, and I just had to try it out. It's so crazy, but it turns out really good, so I'm excited to be showing you guys today. This is going to be a French nail design, so I'm taking this So Cute color from the Long Hair Pretty Nails Patty Gel collection and placing that on the nail bed of all of my nails. Taking my slip solution and just patting it into place and getting the shape to what I want it to look like. And then I do repeat that process on all of my nails, which is repetitive, and I didn't want to have to show you all of those. Once you're done with that, you cure in the lamp for a full minute. You're going to take some rubbing alcohol to clean off that sticky layer that's left on the nails. And then you're going to want to take a hand file and really crispen up those edges and just make them nice and smooth. I do this to all of my nails, and now I'm going to be taking some base coat and applying that back onto the clear part of the nail because we're going to be using some polygel. So here's the video that I saw on Facebook, and then I also saw it on TikTok, and this is from the Nail Art Official. And how fun is this? They take a bunch of polygel and then they take a bunch of nail polishes and just layer everything on top of each other with some glitter. Then they encapsulate in Builder Gel, and everything comes alive when they start to file, and that's why I just had to try it out. It looks so good when everything is all set and done, and yeah, so that's what we're doing here. Of course, we're going to be taking some different colors. This is a beautiful blue-green color that's actually glow in the dark, and I didn't even realize that until like I went to bed. But anyways, applying that to the base of everything and cleaning up any excess that got on my skin. I am curing in between each polish, and every time I do something different. Taking some white polygel by Makartt, placing that on the nail. I want these to be more of a circular shape or oval, rounded. So I'm just taking some of my slip solution and shaping these a little bit better so they don't look as messy on the nail. And I do the same thing on all my other nails, and then I cure in the light for about 30 to 45 seconds. Alright, so we're looking really crazy, and I'm thinking we're on the right track. Gonna take a bunch of really pretty polishes in different colors and just place that everywhere, all over the nail. Sorry about the blurriness here, but I do fix that here in a few seconds. But first I'm gonna go in with some pink, then I'm gonna take some blue, and then I'm gonna take some yellow and some sparkle and some green, and yeah, just place it all over.
'Cause you got an endless list of twists when things aren't going your way. You got them convinced the facts are fiction, different spin every day. I'm not gonna tell you what you're missing, you wouldn't listen anyway. But now that I'm here, I've got something to say. This is the last chance to tell you that I'm not coming back. It's the last chance to prove that I am stronger than that. I've come too far to let you mess with my vision, 'cause we dream of something more. They're not gonna hear you 'cause the truth is loud, and soon somebody will listen. I hope you know what all the fighting was for.
Going in with my Builder Gel now, I'm just going to be applying a thin layer on the whole nail to kind of give me like a slip layer, so when I go in with a bigger bead, it just floats right over top of everything. And again, I cured in between each polish and the polygel, because when you file, you want to make sure everything is really cured nicely, because you don't want any like liquid or stickiness going on like when you're trying to file. So I'm going to do this to all of my nails. I only show the one here because this process actually took a little while. Here we are getting to the final stages. It is big, it is bulky, it is messy, and so now we have to remove that sticky layer from the builder gel. Do a really good job. You want to get all that stickiness off of there using some rubbing alcohol. And now the most satisfying part of the whole nail design comes into play when we file everything down and just make it flush. And just look at how this whole design just turns to life. It just, all the different layers and colors, everything just now becomes, everything just makes more sense now. But could you imagine, like, if you were actually getting this done and like the person that was doing this to your nails, you were just like, oh my god, what's happening? This looks like a freaking hot mess disaster. But then when you file it, everything is just beautiful. I'm only showing filing on my index finger because the filing process really did take quite a long time. So now I'm moving on to my hand file and just further blending in that pink into the nail design. I tend to overfile when I use my e-file, so I just really wanted to make this flush with my hand file, which is super easy. Polygel is really easy to file. And look at the difference. Look how cool that looks. Look how pretty. I love it. So I'm going to go do the rest of my nails, and now we're back here. I didn't want to do too much when it came to bling, but I thought some cuticle, rhinestones would look really cute. I'm just going to apply some of those. If you're looking at my right hand at all, these used to be stilettos, but I kept hitting them on everything and it hurt so bad. So I had to cut them down. I didn't really feel like fixing it further than that. So I'm just going to have to wait to take them off. But that's why they look a little crazy, so please ignore my right hand. Now I'm going in with a cuticle oil, placing that around my cuticles, blending that in, and this is the finished look. I mean, look how gorgeous these turned out. I was so happy with the way that these came out. They just look so beautiful. Look at all the different colors. Here's with the flash on because I did use a reflective glitter gel in there. And it's just gorgeous, so pretty. I'm obsessed, I really am. Here's without the flash. I love it. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this nail set and how these turned out. I really appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And yeah, I really hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.